3 seconds. Start. The National Command and Operation Center announced on Wednesday that coronavirus vaccine will be mandatory for all public and private sector employees, adding that government employees must be fully vaccinated by June 30. The directives were issued after a meeting of the NCOC chaired by Federal Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiatives Asad Umar, which reviewed the ongoing vaccination campaign and implementation of COVID-19 SOPs. The body decided to ease some of the COVID-19 restrictions in view of the declining number of cases in the country. Besides, the meeting also decided the following: introduction of certain incentives for various sectors to encourage vaccination. All vaccination centers to remain open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily from June 11. From June 11 onwards, citizens above 18 years of age will be able to avail the walk-in facility at vaccination centers. During the meeting, the NCOC also decided to ease some restrictions that were put in place earlier to stem the spread of the virus. Restriction on closure of 2 days a week to be relaxed to 1 day. Choice of day will be at the discretion of federating units. Existing 5% work from home policy to be relaxed to 100% office attendance. Partial opening of indoor gyms for vaccinated members only. Pakistan coronavirus positivity rate has been recorded at 2.54% in the past 24 hours, the second day in a row that the positivity rate remained below 3%. According to the Health Ministry, tests were conducted during the last 24 hours, of which people tested positive. The more people we vaccinate, the better we will be protected against COVID-19. Asad Umar appealing to people in the vaccination campaign. Pakistan also held a ceremony today to mark the delivery of the 10 million vaccine doses. On the occasion, Umar said that the government aimed to vaccinate 70 million people by the end of year.